Well, the Improved Installer programme, the idea behind it is very much completing the circle. It's the final piece of the jigsaw puzzle. We've got the wonderful factory here with lots of SuperFOIL product, which is manufactured and distributed. And a lot of times we get the question, well, how can we fit it? Can you do it for us? In the past, that's been no. But with the Improved Installer programme, we're going to be able to provide some top solutions for our customers and actually fit it for them. So the idea is, I'll look at my list of installers, find the right one in the right part of the country, and we can complete that circle and do the installation for our customers. The sales team get a lot of requests saying, how can we get it done? We're going to provide that for them. Well, I think our partners that we work with, it's very much, as I mentioned, a partnership. We're going to work with the installers, so it's going to be something that's going to benefit both sides. And my intention is to make it really easy for them to reach the gold standard with the training and work with them to reach the standards that we want. I think for the customers, they're going to get some quality installations done, hopefully quite quickly, and it's something they haven't got to worry about themselves, so that there's benefits for both. Well, once you're enrolled on the Improved Installer programme, we're going to give you lots of new work leads. So that's the first thing. We're going to bring you here for training, and there'll be an accreditation where we'll help you reach the right standards. Plus, there's the technical team here at the factory. You'll get a first-hand line straight through to them for any technical support. And also, you'll get a rebate based on the amount of SuperFOIL product that you fit.